Welcome to another Shropshire Lad adventure. This is Michael. Say hello, Michael, to the boys and girls. Yeah, he's just having his breakfast, which is provided thanks to Ginsters. And yeah, we just arrived in Fairbourne on the Welsh coast, and we're doing a 1 and a bit day hike with a wild camp, all arranged courtesy of the legend himself, the Dave Outdoors. He came up yesterday and is already just above the Blue Lake, the famous Blue Lake, and they wild camped up there last night. So it was a bit rough apparently, his tent blew down in the night. So we're going to go and meet him up there. That's a quick cup of coffee, and then we're hiking to just before Towin. Okay. Did you have your camping licence last night, Dave? Ooh, look at that. We're arguing over what bit of coastline that is the other side. And we've established we ain't got a clue. You embracing it, Michael? There's the boys. Oh, come to the Welsh coastal path, he says. It's pretty flat, he says. Oh, we're done in, and we've just got to the start point. You alright, Mike? Picture of Elf. Keep saying, come along and you'll see my opening on the right. Here we go. Here's the Goon Squad. Neil, how you doing? Right, we've done the hike up to Camp 1 for these guys. We're now on our route, which takes us pretty much to Towin. I'll put a little map on the screen in a minute. But yeah, we're effectively doing a bit more of the Wales coast path. And it's a beautiful day now. It's a little bit chilly, so it is November. But yeah, there's the coast. Shell Island over there, apparently. Never been. Sure, you could be in it. Say hello, Dave. Humpty Dumpty. Welcome to Fluid Squirrel. We have a little break here. Have some coffee, a bit of sustenance, and enjoy the sunshine. Right, we've just been into the village and had a little break there. We had a coffee and I had a flapjack and whatnot. And then straight away, we're on what the locals call Cardiac Hill. And I know bloody why. Oh, puffing and panting. Jesus. He said it was flat, didn't he, on the WhatsApp chat? There's lovely... Oh, what's this shit on here? Oh Christ, ruining the atmosphere, go away. Well, I think we've it's beautiful, isn't it? It's getting clearer. Look at this, it is November the 8th, isn't it, today? Yeah, 8th and 9th. November the 8th. I'm in a t-shirt and a fleece. The sun's blaring away. Beautiful. Right, we have arrived at that place, that campsite. I can't say the name. Just got a lovely view of the beach here, look. We're paddling later. We've got our own little brook. Look at that. Stewie, you know that place up there, don't you? You camped there once. Right, I'm going to put my old tent up. It's been a while. There we are, look, the old prawn. Set up. Got my little bed set up in there. My little hammock thing for me lights and stuff, and all my shiz down there. Ground sheet. Remember this, Ellen? On top of that mountain in Wales? When it blew down in the night and you went out and pegged it, and I just stayed in bed. Now I've put some little additions to it, just in case. Some extra lines. Anyway, there's Neil's abode. Here's our Dave.
Alright, mate.
Hey, I won't come any closer because he's in his boxers.
Privates are in.
You don't want that on video. So yeah, here we are. K-do. So we're just chilling out. We're gonna have a bit of a cup of coffee, and then light a fire a bit later and get some tea on. Oh, well, the sun is just starting to head down now. It's left this beautiful light. you look at the rocks up there, and we're going to have a fire in a bit, so we'll take you into the barn. We're in the barn, we've got 2 bags of logs, and we're going to have a fire and cook our tea in there, have a bottle of red, and just generally chill out. So it's cracking, isn't it? Michael's abode, his brand new land shan. We'll set up there. What a view you've got, mate. You're straight out there. Just before it gets too dark to film, or just part of the campsite, we get used to this little barn. So we've got sofas, table and chairs, a bit rough and ready, and a big massive fireplace. So Mike is sorting that out now. I'm just going to get some water on the go and nosh on. Folks, getting the last bit of the sunrise now over the coast. Look at that. Come on tonight, Stewie. Gents, say hello to boys and girls back home. Looks like our house at Christmas Day, doesn't it? Everybody sat around the fire on the phones. Evening all, look at this, winter camping, and this is what you need. Evening, well, I'm in. Cracking night by the fire, hey? But it's time to go to bed now, and it's freezing. It's a clear night, stars are out, so that means frost. It's not on. So anyway, so I'm in sleeping bag liner, sleeping bag, and bivvy bag. So I hope I'm going to be warm enough. We'll see. But so far so good. I'm going to get comfy, have a little read on my phone, and then I'm going to sleep because I'm done. So yeah, here's my little setup tonight in here. So I'll see you all in the morning. Morning. It's Saturday morning, and it's still dark. What time is it?
Yeah, 6.
7:15. We're all up bright and breezy, and it's starting to piss down. Did you say you zipped my door up, Mike? Did you say? Oh, thank you. So we've retreated to the barn to get some breakfast on the go. So jet boils at the ready, and we have a bit of porridge, and we're going to pack up and bog off. But unfortunately, it's started raining now, so it's going to be a wet walk. Okay, well, it was coming later. Okay, thank you. See you in a bit. Thank you, Kai D. Right, we've left the campsite and we're en route to the train station now, but it is hammering it down. So we're all waterproofed up. Don't mind, we had a cracking day yesterday, so can't complain. And there is a saying now in the group, when it rains, embrace it. As Dave's saying, I say, use a camper van. But anyway, we'll trundle along this little route.
Here.
Oh, that's a nice spot. Some pigeons. That's where we were. No trace. Right, folks. It's wet and windy, and we've had enough. Back at Fairbourne. Thank you for Transport for Wales for getting us there safely, and get the car warming up. Now we're going home. So thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Grasp a look at that.
Driven into the Swedish Alps.
Ooh. Hey.
Whoa.
You got some of that, David?
Cinematic. Flipping heck, Dave. Christmas has come early.